Morning light across the floor feels a little more than before. Every step just feels so right in this soft and open light. No more lines that break the flow. Everything just starts to glow. Little things I never knew, now they all just feel so new. Round and bright, it pulls me in. Every curve just feels like home. Not just space, it's how I live. Every line just lets me flow. Quiet but it shines somehow. Simple things, I see them now. Hidden moves inside the space, all designed for better days. Light and calm, easy tone. Now this place just feels like home.